Hey everyone, and welcome back. Our discussion about product vision, strategy, and strategic roadmap won't be complete unless we speak about how to measure the product strategy progress. And this is where the product goals come in. Think of the product goals as the quarterly and day-to-day outcomes of the product roadmap that measure progress against the product strategy. Of course, the goal planning and setting process will vary from one company to another. However, there are some best practices that companies try to follow. In recent years, the technique called OKRs, which stands for Objectives and Key Results, has been adopted by many companies across the technology sector and beyond for planning and setting goals. It is used widely by many established companies, including LinkedIn, Spotify, Uber, and Zinnia, as well as startups and growing companies. Even though Google popularized the technique, initially it was implemented by Andrew Grove at Intel in the early 1980s. Google co-founders created the OKRs technique for the company's growth, innovation, flat structure of their teams, and high employee morale. So the idea behind the OKRs is that you answer two questions. First, where do you want to go? And second, how will you know that you are getting there? Effectively, you specify what your objectives are and what key results you're looking for to be sure that you're making progress toward the goal. I'm referring to you now since it's common to set up individual OKRs for every member of a team or company. These individual OKRs will relate to the OKRs of your team and subsequently to the organizational OKRs. OKRs are usually defined quarterly to drive faster growth and innovations. For example, a product team can have the following OKRs for the next quarter. Objective: increase the number of daily active users by 20%, and the key results that help you to achieve this goal will be: Key result 1. Add referral mechanism for existing users to share product with friends. Key result 2. Implement an auto-login feature. Key result 3. Add a chatbot to support visitors during onboarding. These are just the product team goals. The marketing team in your organization could have a similar objective of increasing the number of daily active users, but they would have different key results. For instance, key result 1. Acquire 100 daily leads from a local advertisement on social media. Key result 2. Acquire 20 daily leads from organic search. Let's take a broader example and define all four levels: product vision, strategy, strategic roadmap, and product goals for an online educational platform. A vision for the platform could be to elevate people through affordable online education. The strategy to achieve the vision include the following activities: increase educational content available on the platform by 20% by partnering with external content providers. Rapidly expand market presence in underserved communities in Africa by working with local governments and educators. Prioritize all activities around minimizing the cost of operations related to the affordable learning model. And these are some of the projects we could have in the product roadmap to achieve this strategy. Project 1. Allow external partners to create and deliver their courses and receive payouts. Project 2. Enable offline access to course catalog and curriculum to support areas with limited access to the internet. Project 3. Develop a virtual assistant to support educators in the course creation process to reduce the cost of human operations. Now, the product team's OKRs related to one of the projects from their product roadmap can be: objective: launch beta version of a platform for educators in 6 months. Key result 1. Define the scope of the first version of the product. Key result 2. Get early product feedback from at least 10 prospective partners. Key result 3. At least 30 partners signed up for the beta version. Please note that there can be other key results that a team wants to achieve for the same objective. The best practice is to define 3 to 5 key results for every objective. Okay, that's it for the lecture. To recap, apart from setting up product vision, strategy, and roadmap, we must also bear in mind the product goals. Product goals are outcomes of the product roadmap that measure daily and quarterly progress against the product strategy. It's common for the tech industry and beyond to use the OKRs technique for planning and setting goals. When setting the OKRs, we have to answer two questions. First, where do we want to go? Objective. And second, how we will know that we are getting there? Key result. Alright, cool. I'll see you in the next video where we will speak about how to create an alignment regarding the product goals and the work ahead.